If you are a fashion student, this video is specially for you. Hello friends, I'm Shakti and today I'm so excited to share my final year fashion design project with you. This portfolio is from one of the subjects we completed in our final year. Throughout the degree, we work on different portfolios each semester, and I'll be showing you this one to give you a real idea of what goes into it. If you are studying fashion or dreaming of it, this will give you inspiration and practical insight from mood boards to final lineups. First thing first, this is my mind map. Using my inspiration, I have created a mind map to understand what I am going to do. I'll take you through the process, the concepts and how I brought everything together. So whether you are just starting out or working on your own final project, this video is here to help. Actually, my inspiration was God of the Sea. You can see here, that is my inspirational picture. Using that picture, I have created concept development pages. These are the pages what I have created during the process. These are some of the rough feasibility studies I have done. Normally we use feasibility study to test our silhouettes, techniques, fabrics and other technology like that to get an idea. This is my inspirational picture, God of the Sea. I use this picture to create my collection. And this is my final range. And also this is my concept. This is my color board. And this is my customer profile board. And this is some of the rough fabric board. This is not the final one. These are some of the rough technical sheets. These are some of the marketing surveys what I have done during the process. Finally, this is my final photo shoot and portfolio. Finally, I developed 6 garments, and this is the actual pieces from the collection. Just for fun, here's some behind the scenes footage from the photo shoot. Hope you enjoy the vibes. If you have watched the video all the way through, you are definitely interested in fashion, and I hope it was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more fashion content.